In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSI Multi Length in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the platform, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open for any market you're interested in. This could be a stock, a forex pair, a crypto chart, whatever you normally trade. Having a clear chart on your screen will make it much easier to follow along. Now, the first thing we want to do is open up the Indicators menu. You'll find this at the top of your chart area. Look for the button labelled Indicators near the toolbar. Go ahead and click that. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and your own saved indicators. So you'll be using this menu a lot if you're customizing your charts. Once the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box, so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. In the search field, start typing RSI Multi Length. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct script, especially if there are multiple versions or similar names. When you see RSI Multi Length appear in the list, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually down below your price action in a separate indicator window. After it loads, you should see your RSI multi-length indicator with its different length settings displayed. If you want to fine-tune it, hover over the indicator name on the chart and click the settings icon. Here, you can adjust lengths, colors, and visibility according to your strategy. Small tweaks here can make it much easier to read the signals at a glance and fit the way you like to trade. If you're using the free version of TradingView and you're running into limits on how many indicators you can add, or you want more advanced charting features, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more indicators on each chart, better layouts, and an overall smoother experience, especially if you're running multiple markets and timeframes at the same time. That's all you need to do to add RSI Multi-Length in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, customize the settings to your style, and you'll be ready to incorporate this indicator into your analysis.